You can use AI to write a blog in seconds, but here's the problem nobody talks about. Most AI-written blogs don't fail because of grammar. They fail because they don't sound like your brand. They feel generic, they don't match your tone, they don't target the right audience, and they rarely rank on Google. So even though the blog is done, it doesn't bring traffic, it doesn't build authority, and it doesn't convert readers into customers. Now here's the real issue. People think AI is the solution to writing blogs. So they open a tool and type a simple prompt. And they copy whatever comes out, but what they get is always the same. Generic introduction, weak structure, no SEO targeting, no brand personality, and content that feels like it could belong anywhere. So yes, the blog is written, but it doesn't perform. The real secret isn't better prompts, it's a better workflow, because great blog content happens when everything is aligned. Your keyword matches search intent, your structure follows SEO logic, your tone matches your brand. When all of this comes together, AI stops generating random text and starts acting like a real content assistant. That's exactly what modern AI blogging workflows inside WordPress are designed to solve. Instead of switching between multiple tools for writing, SEO, images, and publishing, you can manage everything in one place. From keyword research, to brand voice setup, to full blog generation, to SEO scoring. One of the tools that follows this structured workflow is WriteRush. It helps turn generic AI content into structured, SEO-ready blogs. Now let's see how it works. First, install WriteRush inside your WordPress dashboard and activate it. Then go to the brand voice section. This step is important because it defines how your content sounds. You can train it using website text, existing blogs, or a simple description of your tone. For example, we write in a simple, helpful, and practical tone for beginners. Once saved, WriteRush understands your writing style, so every blog automatically matches your brand voice. Now go to the blog module and select one-click blog. Enter your keyword. For example, how to write a blog using AI. Choose your blog type. Next, set your preferences, target audience, blog purpose, and tone. Now here's an important step. You choose how you want your blog output, text only or with images. For this tutorial, we'll select with images, so visuals are automatically included inside the blog draft. Now click Generate, and WriteRush creates your full blog using your keyword, your brand voice, and SEO structure. So instead of random AI content, you get a complete structured SEO-ready blog. Now don't publish immediately. Go through each section. If something feels off, you can regenerate it instantly. For example, make this section more beginner-friendly. This gives you full control over quality. Next, enhance your blog visually. You can add images using Unsplash, your media library, or AI-generated images. Then open SEO Score. Enter your focus keyword and add supporting keywords like AI blog writing and content tools. Then generate your SEO report. You'll get suggestions for keyword placement, readability, and structure, and overall SEO improvements. Once everything is ready, click Send to WordPress Draft. Your blog is now inside WordPress. From here, you can do final edits and publish it live. So here's the truth. Writing blogs with AI is not about speed, it's about structure. When your keyword, audience, brand voice, and SEO are aligned, you don't just get AI-generated content. Now, if you're tired of generic AI blogs and messy workflows, then it's time to switch to a smarter system. Try WriteRush, a complete AI blogging workflow built inside WordPress. It helps you go from idea to publish-ready blog. With your brand voice, SEO, structure, images, and writing style all working together. So instead of struggling with content creation, you can focus on growing your blog. Install WriteRush today and see how different it feels when AI finally writes like your brand, not like everyone else.